In this lesson, I'm going to cover the addition and subtraction of decimals. So adding or subtracting decimals is very similar to adding whole numbers, except with a few extra technical details and bookkeeping. So for decimals, we line up the decimal points so that the whole number parts line up and the decimal parts line up. Then add each. So to add decimal numbers, please follow the 3 steps below. So the first step is to line up the numbers vertically so that the decimal point all lie on the same vertical line. The second step is to add extra zeros to the right of the number so that each number has the same number of digits to the right of the decimal point. And finally, the last step is to add the numbers as you would with whole numbers. So place the decimal point of the result in line with the other decimal points. So let's do an example to illustrate these 3 steps. So the first one is 93.59 plus 4.7. So again, I need to line up these 2 numbers vertically so that the decimal points all lie on the same vertical line. So I have 93.59 plus 4.7. So as you can see, the decimal points are lined up. And for 4.7 to have the same number of digits as 93.59, I'm going to add 0 beside the 7 and 0 under the 9. And now I can add up. So first, I'm going to add 9 plus 0, which is 9. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Then I have 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. So here I have 2 and 1 above. Now I have 3 plus 4, which is 7, plus 1, which is 8. And finally, I have 9 plus 0, which is 9. And please do not forget the decimal point. So the answer is 98.29. Now in part 2, I have 135 plus 44.571 plus 2.01. Now, again, I need to make every number to have the same number of digits. So I'm going to add here a decimal point and 3 zeros. Now for the second number, I'm going to add 0 under the 1. And for the last number, I'm going to add here 2 zeros and 1 0 under the 1. Now I can add. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then I have 0 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then I have 0 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. And please add the decimal point. Then I have 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 2 is 11. And 1, and here I have above a 1. Now I have 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 0 is 8. And finally I have 1 plus 0, and this is equal to 1. So the answer is 181.581. Now in the last example, I have subtraction. So I have 34.91 minus 14.214. Now again, I want to add a 0 in the first number so that these two numbers will have the same number of digits. Now, so I need to subtract 0 minus 4. But keep in mind that I can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So I can't subtract 0 from 4. So I need to take 1 from the So I need to take 1 from 1. So this becomes 0 and here it becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Then I have 0 minus 1. Again, I can't subtract 1 from 0, so I need to take 1 from 9. So it becomes 8 and I need to add 1 beside the 0. Now I have 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. And I have 8 minus 2, and this is equal to 6. And do not forget the decimal point. I have 4 minus 4, which is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So I need to add a 0 and a 2. So the answer is 20.696.